Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to use Zoho CRM for customer service. So first, you're going to open your preferred browser and you want to go here to Zoho CRM. Then you want to make sure that you have your account opened, and once you're here in the Zoho CRM homepage, you want to navigate over here at the left sidebar and you want to click on support. Then you're going to click on cases, but then you want to click on create case. So creating a case is important in order to record and monitor a customer support request, especially if a customer is in need of help or has any inquiries. So in order to create a case, you have to fill out the necessary information over at this page. So first, you're going to enter the product name. So this depends on the product or the service that the customer is trying to purchase. So you just want to go ahead and type in the product name over here. Then here in type, you're going to select whether this is a problem, a feature request, or a question. So this also depends on the customer. Then for the case origin, this is where you're going to select how the customer contacted or sent the request. It could be via email, phone, or web. Then over here at related to, if the case is related to any of the employee, then you can go ahead and select the employee's name over here. Then over here at account name, you're simply going to input the customer's account name as well as at the deal name. Then over here at phone, you're going to enter the customer's phone so that you'll be able to contact them in the future. Then over here at case owner, this is set by default to your account, but you can also change this to other employee that you want to give this case to. Then over here at status, you're going to select new since we're going to create a new case, but later on, we can also change this to escalated, on hold, or closed. Then over at priority, we're going to select how this case should be prioritized or how important it is to be finished right away. Then over here at case recent, you're going to select which suits the case well. Then over here at subject, just go ahead and type in a short title that tells about this case. Then you're also going to input the name of who reported this case. So this could possibly just be the customer's name as well. Then you're going to input the email of who reported this case. Then over at the bottom, you're just going to type in a brief description about this case as well as the internal comments. Then for the solution, you're just going to type in here the solution to the case, or if they have a question, then you can also input the answer over here. And once you're done with that, you're just going to click on save over here at the top, and you should be able to monitor this case over here at the support tab. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.